we're about to roll into ATD. Clayton's done a Bullbar and bar work on the new 79.
You normally puts
Dual rails
on.
But I'm a big fan of the single rails, so he's done a custom set of single rails for us. And apparently it looks pretty dang good. Oh, the big STEDIs on the front look good too.
They do too.
It's doing, brother. Woo.
How good does that look? That looks so good.
I knew that colour was going to look good with black, man. All well finished.
Very well finished.
Nah, love it.
Lights look
That's what
good.
it's about, man.
All the Ariel.
Instead of just having your zip ties all the way around, holding your Ariel on, she's all sealed off in the back of the bar.
Hidden in the back of the bar.
Got to add to the build, man. This is why we work with companies like this. It adds to the build.
All right, we'll get it back to the shop. Start putting the tray on. Start hooking everything else up.
Everything's nearly ready.
Very
Dog
nice.
box, canopy, tray, everything's going to get powder coated. Half of it is powder coated, so it should be like another 2 weeks. I just wanted to load it up and go. Yeah.
STEDI's helped us out and fitted us up with a heap of lights on the top, on the Bullbar, and it's my job to wire them in. Everything's been going in pretty well so far, plenty of wiring to do, lots of circuits to figure out how much load they're taking and what's adequate and what's not. Nice big STEDI headlights, pretty sure they're 9-inch, as well as some nice little tricky indicators. He's also got some nice rock lights underneath the car as well, underneath the Bullbar and the side steps to make it look the part as well as go the part. They've been pretty straightforward to wire up. Anything full drive wise, you want to keep it nice and tucked up so it doesn't get collected by sticks, rocks, anything in particular, because that's always ends badly for anybody. This is where we're going to be putting the batteries, basically run all the DC chargers, everything around here. There's going to be all canopy and dog box and everything like that. So got to wire that in as amongst the rear tail lights. Got to do them. There's going to be lights on the headboard, lights in the canopy, lights everywhere. Anywhere you think there's going to be a light, there will be a light, possibly two, because that's just the way Scotty rolls.
Got it back, obviously looks wicked. Very happy with the way that the car looks. All the lines lining up. You know, he's done a great job on the sliders. Very happy with how they're finished off. I was a little bit wondering how he was going to do the joining of the sliders onto the Bullbar, being he normally does dual rails, but definitely kicked a goal there. You done well, Clayton. All the electrical's done in the car, so we're moving on to the canopy, which will probably be Scotty's favourite bit. He likes decking out his canopies. And yeah, can't wait to get this thing on the road. It's been a long time coming to get it to this point, so to actually see it visually how we had it in our heads, it's how we envisioned it, you're seeing it. So yeah, get to the end of this and get it on the road. He'll drive it around for a bit and then we'll go on to proper pumping up the horsepower on it. So can't wait for that bit too.